Okay, today I'm going to change the upper control arm on my 2006 A8L. It does make some noise when it's cold, when you're turning. And these I got is the part number. Hopefully it will fit. Okay. Let's inspect this rubber. They look pretty good. And the knuckles. They look nice too. Pretty tight. Yeah, it's right tight. So this one says right, and this one doesn't say anything. Okay, so this one right here say left. Okay, so left is with this side right now. Alright. Right now this one is the lift mode, and the jack position is on. Now before, when it was sitting down, I did measure the height from the top to the knuckle, so I see how high it is. So later I have to jack this up and tighten it. Okay, to remove this pin, the best is to use this. Alright, so you won't kill it here too. Anyway, until I need to, I don't want to do it yet. Alright, this is the best way to take it out. Still intact. That's nice. So this big bolt right here is 16 millimeter wrench. So before I do everything, I also support it here just in case it drops down or something like that. Okay. Before I take out anything, I want to make sure that the length of this is the same. This one looks the same. And this one also looks the same. Alright, so I think I got the right part. So when I unscrew it all the way to the end, I start knocking it over a little bit. Alright, and then keep unscrewing it. I use my chisel and start knocking it all the way through. Okay? Does it look right? It's kind of hard. This one pop up right away. So it's still good. Look at this. So this one doesn't seem to pop out at all. Huh. Alright, on this one right here, I'm going to have to knock it out. Ooh. So let's see. Yeah, it's okay. It's not. It doesn't spring anymore. This one is good. Ah, these are loose. The new one, I can't move by hand. So you know what? I think it's okay to replace. Since it's already out, why not, right? I could get a long 16, but I don't have it. Alright, this screw got stuck right here. It doesn't come out. And because of this, so let's see if I remove this. Alright, even if I remove this, it still got stuck, so we need to drop at least half of an inch down to remove the bolt. So the wheel well cover is out, then this bolt right here, we can do it without any problem. Only the inside here is the problem one that we have to drop. Alright. This one can get out easily. Alright, these 3 bolts are number 8 hex. They're not hard. Alright, I can hear something moving. There are another 3 big bolts for this housing to come down. Not just the shock. Actually, you can leave the shock there and move these guys down. So I unscrewed the wrong one. 3 bolts, 16 also, need to be loosened, so you can drop it down a little bit. Alright. How do I unscrew these? This is the height. And the one back here. Okay. And if you look at the screw, that is the one. The other one is 2. And the last one is a little bit more. See that? For you to pry it down a little bit. Almost out. So this one also have a crack already, but it's still springing pretty well. And this one is originally from Audi. Alright. The only thing is this one is this. I can move. So, but it looks like the problem is this guy here. I think we're hitting the wrong tree. God, the rubber is so bad. Anyway, I got that one too, so I'm going to replace them all. Putting the bolt back is also the same way. $37 for these bolts. Alright, do they look the same? Yeah, they are. Since I bought it already, so it's better off to replace it. Alright, this one I do need my wife to come in and I align it. And she knocked it down. So both of them are in. Alright. And this one right here, I actually jack it up a little bit because we're not strong enough. I think this one you do need Macho Man. Alright. Alright, don't forget to tighten everything here. Okay, if not, it's gonna be shaky. Alright, I have to jack up this high to be the same as the original when it was sitting flat with the comfort. Okay. Again, this is where the air pump and the reservoir. Anything you need to do back here, is this one. I do have a set. Alright, if you jack it correctly at a certain point, this thing just fall right out. So and the bottom one too. Look at this. It's broken already. So I think the noise come from here. Whoa. I think I replaced the wrong components. The upper control arm may not be the problem. This one does have the arrow, so make sure it's correct. So this way. Alright? This is this way right here. The arrow is facing us. So if we jack it up high enough, it will fit perfectly. Okay? So a little more. A little more. This one is pretty painless. Everything's in. So now we're done for one side. Let's put everything back. And alright, before we close up everything, make sure the pinch bolt is tightened. All the one inside there is tightened. The one that we took out, we loosened before. Make sure they tighten. Okay? Before we put everything. Okay, do you think it's gonna sound like this? With my hands, I can make noise like this. Think about a 5,000 pounds car. What about this one? The rubber is still good. Still springing. And this one is gone. Totally. So, if I don't fix this time, I don't know what else can that be. Done. My God. Vibration is gone. I go over these little bump right there. Slow and listen. Yep, bum. Oh, the steering is solid. Dang it. Listen. Let's go over here. No vibration through the steering wheel. Yeah. Somebody's behind me, sorry. Was test driving the car. Alright, it's done.